Hello guys. Welcome to the tutorial. So do you want to convert the image into an Excel sheet, right? Do you want to do it online? If yes, then continue watching this tutorial. We are going to use Online 2 PDF website for this task. If this method fails to deliver appropriate results in terms of quality, you can use other OCR-based image to Excel conversion methods available on our website. Check our website for more details. See, this is the image. We are going to convert its data or image into an Excel sheet. Follow me. Step 1. Navigate to the online2pdf.com website. I will provide a link in the description. Step 2. Upload image by tap O Select File button. You can convert 20 images into Excel at a time, but make sure their size doesn't exceed to 150 megabytes altogether. Step 3. Select Excel in the Convert drop-down menu. Step 4. Specify the language of the text that is stored on your image. Step 5. Convert and download. Your Excel sheet has been downloaded. Now open it and check if the data is available or not. See, all data is present and converted perfectly. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for latest technology videos.